Namaste everyone. Hope everybody's doing well. So let's start with the squatting down position. We are staying forearm away from the wall. Keep that left hand on the wall, raising the heels up. Exhale it out completely, pushing the navel in, and move right shoulder outside left knee. Right hand stays on the floor. Lean forward and push heels backwards. Check how far you can push the heels back. Even if you are half away, we want to give it a try so that you work on opening your calf and Achilles tendons. Keep checking both the knees are in line with each other. Keep pressing both the feet equally on the floor. And with every exhalation, we want to create a deeper twist. Once you find this easy, we are leaning forward again, creating internal rotation on that front arm. Move it around the shin, pushing the hand backwards. And now work on lifting the chest backwards and turning the chest towards side wall. Once we do this, we'll have to check again. You are not leaning too much on one foot. Checking, you are pressing both the feet equally on the floor. Try and push the chest backward. Left side of the chest is reaching back. Very slowly moving forward to release the posture. And now let's prepare our hips and arms, shoulders to get into the actual posture. I'm keeping my feet apart, knees apart. Exhale and move left arm forward, creating internal rotation on the left arm, pushing it back around the shin, stretching right arm up, internal rotation, and with straight elbow, pushing it back. Checking if you can interlock the fingers, or arms can stay around the back. And once we do that, we want to turn chest towards right wall. Showing you the posture from the side. Stretching that arm forward, checking we are internally rotating the entire arm. Stretching the other arm, internal rotation, and slowly push it back. Fingers interlocked, or if you can hold the wrist, we want to hold the wrist and push the right shoulder backwards. Turning the chest to the other side. Now we are coming on all four, finger open, exhale and lifting the hips up, keeping heels off the floor. Tighten navel without making any other change. We exhale and slowly push the heels on the floor. Inhale, lifting heels up. Exhale and slowly pushing it down. Let's do that for few more times with the breath. Checking there is no stress on the shoulder. Continue lifting the hip high and continue breathing. This way we are working on opening calf and Achilles, which is very important to get into the actual posture. If calf and Achilles are tight, squatting down will be difficult. And if you are squatting down with heels lifted, twisting and binding difficult. So let's spend some time here. Once we drop the heels down this time, we want to lift toes off the floor and continue lifting the hip high. Few breaths here. And very slowly we are walking legs forward for Ardha Uttanasana. Fingertips on the floor, lifting the head up. Continue lifting hips up, tightening navel, and work on tightening the kneecap. Here we want to consciously make sure that we are pressing all four corners of the feet actively on the floor. Once you find this easy, you can try walking hands close to feet. Few breaths here. Next inhalation, we bend the knees, hands on the hips. Inhale and create a gentle backward bend. Lift the chest up. Now for people who can't drop the heels down, they can keep the folded blanket under the heels like this. Placing the heels on the blanket, toes will stay on the floor. Keep your left hand on the floor. Exhale and move right shoulder outside the left knee. Checking you are internally rotating both the arms, pushing it backwards. Lift the hip up and see if you can interlock the fingers or maybe hold your wrist. Exhale, lower down the hips slightly and now start turning the chest to your side wall. Looking back, chin over back shoulder. Keep checking you are pressing your heels and toes equally on the floor. Leaning forward first and slowly releasing the posture. And now let's try the full posture without any support. Lifting the heel up. I'm showing you the posture on the other side so that you can see the binded arms. My left shoulder is going outside right knee. Internal rotation here. Moving the hand back. And now start to press the heels down. Heel down, lifting the hip up. Internal rotation on the other arm. And then work on binding the hands. Now if you see, I'm lifting the hip up a little more to create that binding. And once I'm settled on my arms, I am pushing the hips back and slightly down. But make sure you're not sinking the hips down like this. Keep it slightly lifted. And now start to turn the chest a little more. I hope you find this helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.